Hey guys, this video is going to go on our Pilots in Japan playlist. We showed you a video previously of fixed wing aircraft flying over Japan, usually light aircraft like Cessnas and so on, flying around with big speakers underneath doing broadcasts. We showed you that before on the Pilots in Japan playlist. So this particular day, this is the police helicopter, and he's doing announcements from the helicopter. And a couple of problems with that is, one of the noises that we're going to get obviously is the helicopter itself. The other one is it's midsummer in Japan, which means the cicadas are really active. So prepare yourselves, this is going to be really noisy, okay? But what we want to show you is how difficult it is to hear what these guys were saying. Have a listen to this. So we have absolutely no idea what they were saying. Obviously we couldn't hear a thing. However, it was a beautiful day and great conditions for flying, so we hope that the guys up there were having a nice day anyway. Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.